Tucked away in historical Portage, Wisconsin, lies the new Rolling Prairie community. Located on the north side of Portage, just off I-39, Rolling Prairie offers you the best of both worlds: city conveniences with small-town living. With 47 buildable lots, Rolling Prairie offers you affordable pricing, modern new infrastructure, and a strong family-centered community, carefully planned with sustainability in mind. It's a time to slow down and live life at a different pace. Set back in a beautifully wooded area, Rolling Prairie Community is eager for you to become their newest neighbor. With nature-guided walking paths, ample sidewalks, and nearby dog park, every member of your family can enjoy this new, quiet side to life. Cul-de-sacs are a featured benefit of life here in Rolling Prairie. Let Portage's historical roots, vibrant arts community, and active lifestyle draw you closer to a natural rhythm of life. Whether you downhill ski, kayak, fish, or just like to soak up the sun, Portage offers something for everyone. The rural farming community, America's backbone, acts as a natural buffer zone, cultivating a peace and quiet that can't be found just anywhere. Just minutes away from Rolling Prairie, you'll find a local hospital, nursing home, doctor's offices, city shopping conveniences, and local dining flavors. Life in Rolling Prairie doesn't get any better. Rolling Prairie. Come build your life here.